Hey guys, how's it going this morning? Let me. Hey guys, how's it going this morning? Hey guys, how's it going this morning? Get all the loop. Okay, sorry about that. Let me get messages out to everybody, let them know we're going live. Okay, should do it. Guys, like always, if you appreciate what I'm doing, hit that like and subscribe button. And let's get into it. Okay, I say that, but now that I can't pull it up, you know. Oh man, technical difficulties. Are you kidding me? Let's just do this for the time being then, so I can get this pulled up. Well, this little sell-off this morning had a lot of people freaked out, but I don't think we're out of the woods yet. I have posted the watch list too, if anybody's interested in that. There we go. Finally got it figured out. Holy hell. The computer just shut me. Okay. Turn off Celine for a minute. And let's set the pre-market lows nice. Always make those yellow. And I'm actually going to put that in. Wrong one. Actually, we'll make that as low. That's about where it ended up anyway. Excuse me, if any of y'all new here, this is the Kindle Insight by Celine. So I'm looking at the 3-minute right here. This is the 15-minute chart. Kind of gives me an extra little view, that way I don't have to have two charts pulled up at once or flip back and forth between them. And I believe we might be about to see a sell-off in the SPY. There we go. Let me see if we can get in real quick. So I'm going to try puts back down to the low a day, maybe in pre-market low. And let's see how this does. Oh man, I'm in the wrong. Maybe if I can get into the other account before it takes off. Let's hope. So I'm just trading 0 DTE near the money. If I can get in, might be a little bit too late. Let's try and see what happens. So I just got the 394 0 DTE Monday today on the SPY. So again, we're playing it to this low, which is pretty much around the pre-market low, and see what we can get out of it. Almost $1 if it reaches there. Maybe we might get lucky and get about $20 for each contract. So, you know, with 3 of them, that's $60. Usually, the more confident I am about a play, I'll jump in with 2 or 3 right off the bat, and then scale if need be. If I'm not as confident, I'll jump in with 1, wait and see what it does. Depending from there, I'll either scale or stop loss out. Yeah, see, I jumped way too early. I'm about having a stop loss out right here. See, even though I might be pretty confident that it'll come back down, I have me a set that I want to lose. And if it reaches that, then I'm out regardless. I mean, you gotta stick to your plan and trade it. The only other option is to scale. It pops up here, get you another couple. Scale it. See if you used to buy up here another 1 or 2 when it rejects, then it would only have to come halfway in order to be flat again, to be even from where you previously bought. Just seeing what it's doing around this 20. Sorry, guys. And like always, if you got any questions, anything like that, throw them up in chat and we'll go over them. So if we was wondering what the stop loss would have been, it would have been the break over the 200. It could still be here. I don't like this setup. It's a bullish setup, so we may choose to go ahead and get out early if it doesn't start doing something. Because we are off a resistance. We have the doji and the bounce, so that's usually a bullish setup, but we'll give it a second here and see what it does. The markets are going to be pretty wonky this week, guys. There's a lot going on with the FOMC, Fed rate hike, GDP, and super earnings week all in one week. It's going to get insane. Either way, down or up, it is going to get insane. Either the bulls are going to take this as confirmation that we are have found the bottom and we are riding the recession trend back down, or we are full on screwed and go down to 340. Yeah. This needs to make a move soon. Not Theta's going to start killing us out. We bought right at the money. Theta's over $1. I'm actually shocked. I thought it would have went straight to the pre-market low again. Kind of do like a double top or breakthrough from there. It's trading within this range. It's trying to start cooling is what it's doing. We look at kind of trend here. That's kind of what we're looking at versus, I guess we could put it there or there. We'll go with that for right now. That's our box we need to break out, our triangle. I'm undecided what it wants to do. This closes green, that could be game over, but if we can get this closed, it'd be really nice if we get at least down into this green box here. So while that's doing that, let's see what else is moving. Yeah, Apple is down. Futures is starting to move down. The SPY just SPY down. It's trying to. I don't know what else is holding SPY up right now. What's Amazon doing? Yeah, see everything else done head down to their pre-market low. Tesla's kind of cooling right now, but there we go, finally. Probably, it probably actually should have scaled in an extra one or two, but there we go. About time. going down. I believe when we reach that, I'm going to, well, for sure sell one, maybe even two, and let the other one ride, but we'll see here. Come on, we're not going to get to close below that trend line. You gotta be kidding me. What is US oil doing this morning? With that trend that we was talking about. I climbed a little bit, didn't it? It went down, now it's coming back up. Okay. I need to clean these charts up. Man, this market is so undecided right now. There, well, maybe I spoke too soon. I thought it was going to pop back up. Maybe it just made a choice. Right? Alright, come on now. Don't like the wicks on those candles the way that they're done, but as long as we're moving that direction right now. Excuse me, guys, sorry. A little under the weather this morning. So I don't think any of my targets got triggered on that one. Nope. Still holding 3. Looks like I just barely missed it too by like $1 or 2. If this keeps taking longer, we may have to set a different target. So I've got the last one set to sell at 20, yeah, $20. And then these two sell at, oh well, supposed to be 15, but it looks like 16. Didn't do me math right. Ain't trading fun, kids. Sit here and wait. Now these days are kind of slow and they just dredge on, but you're making money and you're making money quick. That's when it's fun. Well, I tried a new order, but I didn't get in. I was trying to pick up another one. Come on now. I should have swung one too. I should have swung a put. Not even looking, seeing what max pain is for today. We find breaking this trade. I'll probably go check that out. See, pull it up real quick. What's up with the auction thing on stock error? Try this other one out here. $3.89 is max pain today on the spot, but we are very put heavy. So I could see us pulling back a little bit, but I don't know. The market's not gave us a trend or a direction yet for the day. And we are under the 200, but it's not trading sideways under the 200. Here's what I was looking at to get max pain. This is a separate one than stocks error that I use. get in another one here. We're about to pop up if we don't check soon. There we go. There we go. Alright, so we just filled on 2 of them. Let's see what the last one does. So, okay, I'm going to go ahead and fill there. Okay, so we got $20 on 2 and 30 on another. So that is, excuse me, that's what's he doing? That's about $70 profit right now that we've got. Okay, again, I post these in the trading Discord. If y'all ever want to go back and look at the timestamps and what I said and how I got in and out, limit, market, things like that. So it looks like 2 of them got sold at 21, and 1 of them got set at 31. That's not bad. That's $73. Not bad at all. That'll do, pick. That'll do. Nice play. And check messages here. Again, guys, if y'all got any questions or any stocks or anything like that you want me to look at, put them in the chat and we'll go over them. See what else we can find, or maybe if we see something else with Celine or he came right, it pushed right below that pre-market low, then went right back up. That's what we was looking for, is a push to the pre-market low, and we got it. We flushed right below it. We are now making a new lower low, so we could see some more scalps off of the 20-year VWAP, possibly maybe even this trend line up here. Keep scalping it down for a time or two. We just have to see how it reacts when it gets up there. Well, it may be doing it right here off this 15. I didn't jump in though. So what I'm doing right now is I'm checking the E-mini futures on the SPY, which pretty closely follows it, sometimes leads it. And I'm checking out the most heavily weighted stocks in the SPY, which is Apple, Amazon, Tesla. And I'm looking to see what they are going to do to possibly get a leg up on what the SPY is going to do. Now, realistically, if I'd been watching it, I probably should have jumped in right here and followed it back down to the low right here. But I don't know. I'd like to see it reject off of VWAP or right at or above the 20. To me, that would give it a little bit more meat on the play. GameStop's had it rough since that split. Needs to find the bottom. Let's run down some of the watch list real quick. Still has spiked, but now it's pulling back to VWAP at least. Red box was running this morning. Yeah, that'll probably do the same. Get a pullback. PFE. Pfizer. Yeah, we might be seeing the market turn here. Like the overall market sectors. T-Doc's up. They have earnings this week. I'd have to, let me double check and see what day. Finding these damn calendars, I swear. I got the calendar up. That's okay. I've got it in my calendar here. Yep. Okay, so T-Dot. Logitech's this evening. Man, I have to be overlooking it. I'm not seeing it yet. I know what to do. There it is. Wednesday. After market close on Wednesday. T-Doc earnings. Well, looks like we did pull back. At least the wick wise. This made kind of like a double bottom. We just have to see what it does from here. Overall, I think we are coming down to the low 390 area. Give me 1 second, guys. Somebody's knocking on my door. Alright, guys, I'm gonna have to run. Cut this short today. Kind of a little bit of a mini emergency, but if you appreciate what I'm doing, hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll be back at it Wednesday. You guys have a great day.